Hi there, this is Lucas from UQ Army. In this video, we'll go over a type of QR code that wants to be watched, liked, commented, and subscribed to, the YouTube QR code. YouTube QR codes became a type of QR code due to the fact that YouTube itself became a social media platform of sorts. When you upload a video to YouTube, people can not only watch it, but like it, comment on it, and subscribe to your channel because of it, which is a great way to keep in touch with them. By creating a YouTube QR code, you will be able to link it to a specific video or to your entire channel. One way or the other, your target audience will be one step closer to subscribing. If you link your YouTube QR code to one video and after a while you want to show another, simply replace the old with the new. They are dynamic after all. YouTube QR codes can be used to show a movie trailer, a video clip, or how-to videos, meaning that everyone can benefit from them. Plus, when it comes to providing information, nowadays people would rather watch it or listen to it than reading it. If you want to create a YouTube QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.